Hey there! In this full guide, we'll walk you through how to share a community link on X using your Android device. Sharing a community link can help you connect with others and expand the reach of your community. Let's go through the steps together. Step 1. Open the X app on your Android device to access its features and settings. Step 2. Tap the community icon located at the bottom of the screen to navigate to the community section. Step 3. Select the desired community name that you want to share by tapping on it. Step 4. Tap the share icon within the community to bring up sharing options. Step 5. Choose Share via from the sharing options to select the platform or method through which you want to share the community link. By following these steps, you can easily share the community link on X with others, allowing them to join and engage with the community. If you found this guide helpful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.